irrigation systems to the rich, nutrient-packed soil, every detail is taken into consideration to ensure the tomatoes reach their full potential. As the tomatoes ripen under the warm sun, farmers keep a watchful eye on their progress. They meticulously examine each tomato, looking for the perfect color, size, and firmness. Only the best of the bunch will make it to the ketchup production line. Once the tomatoes have reached their peak ripeness, it's time for the harvesting process to begin. Skilled farm workers move swiftly through the fields, delicately plucking the ripe tomatoes from the vines. It's a labor-intensive process that requires speed and precision to ensure the tomatoes are harvested at their prime. These farms produce an astonishing amount of tomatoes to keep up with the demand for ketchup. Imagine millions of tomatoes being carefully hand-picked, one by one, to ensure only the finest make it to your favorite condiment. Once the tomatoes are harvested, they are swiftly transported from the fields to the nearby ketchup factories, where the next stage of their journey awaits. But that's a story for our next section. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the enchanting world of ketchup production in How It's Made, Ketchup. Once the tomatoes are harvested, they embark on a journey to the ketchup factory. In this section, we'll step inside the bustling facility and see how the tomatoes are sorted and prepped for processing. We'll witness automated sorting machines in action, separating the good from the bad, ensuring only the finest tomatoes make it to the next stage. Prepare to be impressed by the speed and precision of these incredible machines. As the trucks arrive at the ketchup factory with their cargo of freshly harvested tomatoes, the sorting process begins. The tomatoes are unloaded and conveyed to the sorting area, where they undergo a rigorous examination. Automated sorting machines come to life, using advanced technology to assess each tomato's quality. These machines employ optical sensors to analyze color, size, and shape. Any tomatoes that don't meet the stringent standards are swiftly removed from the production line. Once the sorting is complete, the chosen tomatoes move on to the next stage of preparation. They are washed thoroughly to remove any dirt or impurities. Specialized equipment gently sprays water, ensuring the tomatoes are clean and ready for processing. After the washing process, the tomatoes are prepared for the next phase, crushing. They pass through crushing machines that break them down into a pulpy consistency. The pulped tomatoes are then heated to the perfect temperature to enhance flavor and aid in further processing. While the tomatoes are being crushed, another team focuses on preparing the secret blend of spices that gives ketchup its distinctive taste. Carefully measured quantities of spices are mixed together, creating a flavor profile that perfectly complements the tomato's natural sweetness and acidity. Once both the crushed tomatoes and spice mixture are ready, they come together in a large vat. The ingredients are carefully blended, allowing the flavors to meld and create the signature taste of ketchup. The mixture is continuously stirred to ensure uniformity. With the sorting and prepping stages complete, the transformed tomatoes are now ready for the next step in their journey to becoming ketchup. In our next section, we'll uncover the secret sauce-making process and witness the magical transformation of these humble ingredients into the beloved condiment we know and love. Now comes the secret behind ketchup's unique flavor, the sauce-making process. In this section, we'll delve into the top-secret recipe and witness the magic unfold. We'll see how the tomatoes are crushed and simmered, mixed with a blend of carefully selected spices, and transformed into that familiar ketchup consistency. Get ready for some tantalizing sights and smells. After the sorting and prepping stages, the crushed tomatoes move into large heated vats where the real alchemy of ketchup begins. The tomatoes are simmered at a controlled temperature to release their natural juices and intensify the flavors. As the tomatoes cook, the blend of carefully selected spices is added. These spices include a combination of garlic, onion, vinegar, sugar, salt, and other secret ingredients. Each spice is chosen to enhance the overall taste and provide that perfect balance of tanginess and sweetness. The mixture is continuously stirred, allowing the flavors to meld together and develop the rich, savory taste of ketchup. The aroma that fills the air is simply irresistible as the spices infuse into the simmering tomatoes. Once the sauce has reached its desired consistency and flavor, it undergoes a process called pasteurization. This ensures that the ketchup remains safe to consume by eliminating any potential harmful bacteria. The pasteurization process involves heating the sauce to a specific temperature and then rapidly cooling it. After pasteurization, The ketchup is transferred to large holding tanks, ready to be packaged into bottles. The sauce flows through a series of automated machines that fill the bottles with precision and efficiency. The bottles are then sealed and labeled, ready to be shipped to supermarkets, restaurants, and homes around the world. And there you have it, the secret sauce-making process that transforms fresh tomatoes and a blend of spices into the beloved condiment we call ketchup. It's a careful balance of flavors and precise techniques that have been perfected over time to create the ketchup we know and love. The ketchup is ready, but our journey isn't over yet. The automated bottling process begins as the ketchup flows from the holding tanks into the filling machines. These machines are designed to precisely dispense the right amount of ketchup into each bottle. It's a symphony of mechanical efficiency as the bottles move swiftly along the production line, getting filled one after another. Once the bottles are filled, they move to the capping station. Here, specialized equipment expertly places caps onto the bottles, sealing them tightly. The capping process ensures the ketchup remains fresh and free from any external contaminants. Quality control is of utmost importance in the ketchup production process. To ensure the highest standards are met, samples from each batch are carefully collected for testing. These samples undergo a series of meticulous evaluations to ensure the ketchup maintains its desired taste, texture, and overall quality. The quality control tests include sensory evaluations, where trained professionals assess the ketchup's appearance, aroma, and taste. Laboratory analysis is also conducted to verify that the ketchup meets strict safety standards, including checks for microbial content and pH levels. Only after the ketchup passes all quality control measures does it receive the stamp of approval. Approved bottles are then carefully packaged into boxes, ready for distribution. From there, they will make their way to grocery store shelves and eventually into the hands of eager consumers. And there you have it, the fascinating journey of how ketchup is made, from farm to factory and into our bottles. The process of transforming humble tomatoes into that beloved tangy condiment is a testament to the meticulous craftsmanship and dedication that goes into creating our favorite flavors. Enjoy your next squeeze of ketchup with a newfound appreciation for the incredible process behind it.